Hello everyone. Today we explore how certain supplements can enhance performance in sports requiring repeated short bursts of explosive movement. This information comes from research by sports scientist James Barber at California Polytechnic State University, San Luis, and was published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research. Athletes engaging in activities like sprinting or team sports with quick plays should find this particularly useful. Creatine is a substance that helps muscle cells produce more energy for repeated contractions. Your body naturally produces some creatine, and you can get it from foods like red meat and fish. Supplementing with creatine can increase the stores in your muscles, allowing you to perform more high-intensity work before fatigue sets in. Sodium bicarbonate, commonly known as baking soda, acts as a buffering agent in your body. During intense exercise, muscles produce lactic acid, which increases acidity and can lead to fatigue. Sodium bicarbonate helps neutralize this acid, delaying the point at which your muscles start to function less efficiently. Combining these two substances, creatine for energy and sodium bicarbonate for acid buffering, seems logical for better athletic output. James Barber investigated this specific combination because previous research on it was limited. His study aimed to see if together they offered greater benefits than creatine alone for repeated sprint performance. The study involved 13 fit male students who performed cycling tests on 3 separate occasions. Each test required them to sprint 6 times for 10 seconds each as hard as they could. Between these intense sprints, they cycled slowly to allow for some recovery. These students received different supplements 2 days before each exertion test. One time they got a placebo, an inactive substance. Another time they received 20 grams of creatine per day. The third time they took 20 grams of creatine plus 0.5 grams of sodium bicarbonate for every kilogram of their body weight daily. The daily supplement dose was divided into 4 smaller doses taken at 9 in the morning, 12 noon, 6 in the evening, and 10 at night. Students consumed the supplement powders with 2 full glasses of water each time. Researchers also stressed the importance of drinking at least 2 additional liters of water throughout each day to ensure proper hydration. The results showed that the combination of creatine and sodium bicarbonate worked better than creatine by itself. Athletes using the combined supplement experienced a significant increase in their peak power output during the sprints. This increase was not observed in the group that only took creatine. Furthermore, the study found that relative peak power, which is peak power adjusted for body weight, was maintained more effectively in the combined supplement group. This means athletes could sustain a higher percentage of their maximum power output across all 6 sprints. For practical application, this translates to less drop-off in performance as an event or game progresses. Students who took the combined supplement did not report serious stomach pain or gut problems. This is an important finding because sodium bicarbonate can sometimes cause digestive upset in some individuals. The 2-day loading protocol with divided doses and adequate water intake likely helped minimize these potential issues. James Barber's research concluded that a short 2-day supplementation period with both creatine and sodium bicarbonate increased relative peak power by 7%. While this number might seem small, it can have a profound impact on high-intensity exercise performance in real-world competitions. At elite or collegiate athletic levels, even fractions of a second or small power increases can determine the outcome of an event. Athletes in sports demanding repeated explosive efforts can consider this supplement strategy for a potential performance edge. The study suggests a creatine intake of 20 grams daily and sodium bicarbonate at 0.5 grams per kilogram of body weight daily for 2 days prior to competition. Remember to divide these doses throughout the day and consume them with plenty of water. Proper hydration is absolutely critical when using these supplements, not only for effectiveness but also for safety. Drinking at least 2 liters of water daily, in addition to water taken with the supplements, helps your body process them efficiently. This hydration strategy can also reduce the risk of any potential digestive discomfort from sodium bicarbonate. Thank you for watching. We will see you next time.